Hello, I'm Lisa, and I'm a volunteer at the Animal Adoption Center. Today we're here to meet London. She's a 2-year-old Hound Beagle mix who's very playful. She's good with children and other dogs. She's a typical hound. She likes to play with her toys. And she does like to sniff and investigate. She's very curious. She'd make a great partner for another dog. So if you have another pet, we'd suggest that you bring your pet here to meet London, and they can make sure everyone gets along. She'd be fine with children over 6 years old. She'd make a great pet, great family dog. She does like to run, so they do recommend a fenced yard for her. She's got a beautiful coat. She's the typical Hound Beagle colors, the calico tricolor. She loves to be petted. She's working on her commands. She does know sit. She's practicing that. She's good on the leash. She does like to, as I said, she does like to investigate, and she is curious. She's a little on the thin side, I'd like to add, but that would be something that she will gain some weight once she gets in a good home and she's happy and adjusted. So if you'd like to meet London, come on down to the Animal Adoption Center. Bring your pet with you and your kids and your family, and I think you might find your forever friend in her.